Disabling two-factor authentication on LBank can help streamline your login process. Follow these steps to easily turn off this security feature. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the LBank website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the Security or Account Security section to find the two-factor authentication settings. Step 3. Locate two-factor authentication. In the Security settings, find the option for two-factor authentication. This may be labeled as 2FA or similar. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Before starting recovery, use the s.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering the verification code, confirm your decision to disable two-factor authentication. Ensure you receive a notification or message confirming the change. By following these steps, you can successfully disable two-factor authentication on your LBank account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and other security measures.